So I appreciate the comment that I got for the hen that almost never came back. I messaged back, but for some reason the message doesn't show on YouTube. So YouTube's playing up. But yes, thankfully the bird came back. The parents are eating, so they're going to be fed soon. So definitely glad, because I would have had to swap these somewhere else. Definitely coming to a nice standard that I like. Very nice. Let me move the box a bit. Yeah, wow, nice. They're coming pretty good. I must say better than the other two saddles, the little bit older ones. Hopefully at least one's a female. Hopefully. Wouldn't be surprised if another two males though. Yeah. Thankfully came back, because I was already thinking where I'm going to put these to get fed, which I'm not sure what I would have done. We've got one there, and there's a small one as well. Hopefully that one does okay. Probably still eggs there. There's eggs here. Got these two guys looking alright. It's been a cold couple of nights, so not surprised they're a little hunched. And even for this loft, it usually keeps them warm. With a couple of coldies. This time they're going to make a saddle. This time. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's from the black white beard and chicken hen. These two coming up nice. The crest on them coming up crazy. Parents don't have crests like that. Not bad at all. It's definitely a boy. And that would be a girl. That's a girl. I'll be putting it to the grandfather. Crazy colours. Because I can see some good stuff happening there. That's for sure. The crest on these. Exceptional. A couple here. Probably becoming blues. Yeah, nice. That's pretty cool. All blue and then probably high. That's cool. There you got these two. We got interesting. That's very interesting. That pair's never made eggs like this. There you go. Nothing wrong with more flyers. Yeah. So that's the hen. Thankfully she came back. That's good. Still waiting for these guys to make eggs. These guys to make eggs. So I'll get there, I guess. So yeah, just a cold week in Melbourne. Tippler came in from the other loft. Got to put him back. Got to put that hen back over there because I had the cages open again. These guys are doing alright. Look at the colours of those. I like that. And probably old hen's got an egg. And her eggs are over there as well. So I don't know if I should swap her egg in, her egg again, or I don't think I've got a spot at the moment. Yeah, the older young ones had one go on the roof yesterday, come back down, which is great. Just slowly get there. I'm gonna put this hand back over there, or should I leave it with the partner? Make eggs? I don't know. Let's see. I'll probably leave them. That's her partner there. On a good spot. Probably have to throw some more nest balls. And I might have to cut their wings as well. Keep them down. I'll make trouble.